Alright, I got everything painted. I got the circuit working with the Nano, which I've been having difficulty with. Turned out I had a bad Nano board, so I got a new one. And I got it working, so let's plug it in and see how it looks. Look at that. Ain't that pretty? And with a button press, right over here, I can actually change the display. So there's several different displays I can show. I got this one. I got that one. This one. It's more like a voice wave. It kind of looks cool. It's like a heartbeat monitor almost. Square wave. Looks like silly string. And then you got the triangle wave, saw wave, I guess. Of course, you got Slimer. Ghostbusters logo. I had to put my logo in there. It doesn't look right. I'll have to fix it. I got Will Bill Green to thank for this. And this is probably the one I'm going to use the most. I love this. I'm going to try to edit it a little bit. Give it a little bit more life. But that's one of the things I like about it most. Shout out to Will Bill Green for this. I know it's taken me a while to get to it, but I finally got everything painted on my thing, and I got all the circuitry working. I had a problem with my Nano board. The one they sent me was faulty, and I couldn't get anything to load no matter what I did. And finally, they sent me another one, and what do you know? It works. So, thanks a lot. Hope you guys like it. Let me know what you think in the comments.